Today, I'm diving deep into the Urmet Smart Intercom system, a home security and communication device designed for modern apartments and homes. The promise of this system is clear: seamless access control, enhanced security, and convenience through smart technology. But does it live up to expectations? I'll walk you through my hands-on experience, covering everything from installation to daily usage, as well as any potential downsides. Setting up the Urmet Smart Intercom isn't the most straightforward process. While the packaging includes all the necessary components, including the monitor, door station, and wiring, the installation can be tricky if you're not familiar with intercom systems. The setup requires wiring, and unless you have some experience, professional installation is highly recommended. The mobile app integration is one of the selling points, allowing you to answer door calls remotely and control access even when you're away. However, during my testing, I found that the app connectivity was occasionally unstable, requiring multiple attempts to reconnect. The video quality of the intercom is decent, but it's not the best in class. In well-lit conditions, the camera delivers clear footage, but in low-light situations, the video can appear grainy. The audio quality is good, allowing clear communication with visitors. One of the main advantages is the hands-free operation and compatibility with other smart home devices. The intercom works well with home automation systems, but it lacks deeper integrations with popular smart assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant, which might be a drawback for some users. Security-wise, the Urmet Smart Intercom does add a layer of protection by allowing you to verify visitors before granting access. The key fob and PIN code entry options are useful, but I did notice some lag when unlocking doors remotely through the app. Additionally, while the intercom supports multiple users, managing permissions for each user isn't as intuitive as I'd hoped. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts. I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Giftmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Another consideration is the design. The Urmet Smart Intercom has a modern look that fits well in contemporary homes, but the build quality feels slightly plasticky compared to some premium competitors. The touchscreen interface is responsive, though not as smooth as a smartphone display. The button layout is functional, but I found myself wishing for more customization options within the software. One of the more frustrating aspects is the occasional delay in receiving doorbell notifications on the mobile app. In some instances, there was a lag between someone pressing the doorbell and the alert appearing on my phone, which could be problematic if you rely on this system for real-time security. On the positive side, the system does support recording, allowing you to review missed interactions later, which is a useful feature for security-conscious users. Price-wise, the Urmet Smart Intercom falls in the mid to high range of smart intercoms. While it offers a solid set of features, the inconsistent app performance and lack of deep smart home integration may make some users hesitate before purchasing. If you're looking for a reliable wired intercom with decent security features and remote access, this could be a good option. But if you need a flawless, fully integrated smart home experience, you might want to explore alternatives. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more smart home reviews, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions.